To permanently stop weeds from returning in sidewalk and driveway cracks, follow a methodical repair and sealing process that removes root sources and prevents seed intrusion. First, remove all existing vegetation by pulling roots out with a narrow weeding tool or using a hot water or steam weeder to kill roots without chemicals. Clean the crack thoroughly by sweeping and then using a pressure washer or stiff brush to remove dust and loose particles so any filler bonds to solid concrete. For wide cracks, insert backer rod to the appropriate depth to provide a backing and reduce filler use. Choose closed cell foam rods sized about 25% larger than the crack width so it compresses for a tight fit. For narrow joints, use polymeric sand and apply it dry, compacting it with a brush so grains fill the void, then mist with water to activate the binding agents until the surface firms. Avoid overwatering, which washes the binder out. For flexible sealing, apply a high-quality self-leveling concrete sealant like a polyurethane joint sealant, following manufacturer instructions for joint depth and tooling, and allow full cure time before traffic. This creates a weatherproof, flexible barrier that blocks light and prevents root penetration. Finally, for long runs or decorative areas, consider installing concrete joint sealants professionally or replacing failing sections with new concrete, and properly saw cutting contraction joints to control cracking and allow consistent sealing. Common mistakes include simply topping the crack with sand or caulk without removing the root system, which allows regrowth. Always extract roots or use a root-killing steam method before sealing. Another issue is using the wrong filler depth or skipping backer rod, which leads to sealant failure from poor adhesion. Match the backer rod size to crack width and maintain correct joint geometry. A third problem is activating polymeric sand improperly by overwatering, which dissolves the binder, or underwatering, which leaves it loose. Follow the product wetting schedule and use a light misting pattern until the binder sets. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like crack repair and weed prevention by helping us find local professionals and list services. We host an active discussion community where we share techniques, product experiences, and contractor recommendations to help both homeowners and contractors get the job done well.